everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to use Discord on desktop for beginners. You can easily start using Discord on your desktop within a couple of minutes if you follow a simple step. So make sure you watch the video until the end and follow through the instructions. Step 1. Download and install Discord. To begin using Discord, you'll first need to get the application downloaded. So open up a web browser and then type in discord.com inside your URL bar. Once you get to this page, click on the download button to begin downloading Discord first on your PC. Click on the download for Windows option available on the next page. Wait for the setup file to download and the progress will be visible at the top right corner. Once the download is completed, click on Open File. This will now automatically install Discord application on your desktop. Once installed, you can open up the Discord app. Step 2. Sign up for Discord. Soon after the Discord application is launched open on your desktop, you will come across this interface. If you don't have a Discord account, you will need to create one. Click on the Register button right next to Need an Account and fill in your information in the Create an Account text boxes. Start off by typing in your email address and then type in your display name on the next field. Enter a username for your account and then create a password for your Discord account. Select your date of birth by choosing from the drop-down. Agree to the terms and conditions of Discord by clicking on this last box and click Continue in order to sign up for a Discord account. Soon after you do that, you will be able to open up a new account for Discord. Once you're logged into your account, you can now familiarize yourself with the layout of your Discord account. Step 3. Change password for Discord. If you are skeptical about your account security, you can easily change your Discord account's password. From the main homepage of Discord, click on the Settings button right at the bottom left corner. Right next to My Account, you will be able to see several options you can change. Click on Change Password button under Password and Authentication. Enter your current password that you are using for your Discord account in the first text box. Go to the next field and type in the new password for your account. Confirm the new password by re-entering it again. And finally click on Done to change your password for your Discord account. Step 4. Login out of Discord account. If you ever want to log out of your Discord application on your desktop, then once you're inside your main homepage, go to the Settings button at the bottom left and click on it. From the User Settings interface, scroll all the way down and click on Log Out in order to log out of your Discord account. But remember that you must have your credentials with you every time you log in back to your account again. Step 5. Log into your Discord account. If you ever want to get logged in back again to your Discord account, you can easily do so as well. The easiest way to log into your Discord account is by scanning the QR code appearing on the right-hand side of the screen. Open up Discord mobile application on your mobile device and scan the QR code displayed on the screen to log in easily. You can also log in using your email or phone number. Type in your email address in the first text box, or you can also type in your phone number. After you type in your credential, go to the next field and type in your password correct. Make sure you type in your credentials correct. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on Forgot Your Password and follow through the instructions. After filling in both of your credentials, click Log In, and soon after you do that, you will be able to log back into your Discord account in just a few simple steps. So that is how you can easily use or start using Discord as a beginner. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.